Hi friends, winter has arrived and everything is covered in snow. We are on a snowy adventure to find things that start with the letter I. Let's see. What we can discover in this map shows something very big. Let's go and find out. Look, I see something big and icy. Wow, it's an iceberg. I for iceberg. Take a closer look, kids. You can see that it is very big and cold. Iceberg.
Look over there. I see an island in the snow. I will fly over and take a closer look. This is an island. I for island and beautiful.
Oh, look, there's an igloo. I for igloo. Let's go inside. Wow, it's made of ice. It looks so cool. All this exploring made us hungry. Let's get some ice cream. Yay, this is ice cream. I for ice cream. And it's so cold and tasty. Look, Adi, ice cubes. I for ice cubes. We can put them in cold drinks to keep them nice and chilly. Wow, we found so many things today. Iceberg, island, igloo, ice cream, and ice cubes. Great job, everyone. And now, friends, let's learn how to draw the letter I. It's super easy and simple. Ready? Draw one straight line. That's the letter I. Wow, it's so simple, right? Congratulations! We learned how to draw the letter I. Now, let's go.
Now we learned I. Let's learn J in the next part. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.